come ti chiami? Alessandro, io Massimo. La signora Maria.
Piacere. Okay, let's see. He's going to dedicate something. I don't know. Wow! Thank you. Wow! Beautiful. So we're walking along this cycling path. They call it la pista ciclabile. We get it the other way around. And it's absolutely beautiful. So this is smack bang
show you how long
in the middle of Siracusa. It's lovely. Today is a beautiful day to go and do a nice walk along this this path. So we're going to take you along with us. Yeah, enjoy. This monument is situated close to Piazza dei Cappuccini. It's dedicated to the Italian soldiers that died during the Ethiopian War and was a planned project in 1938. This work of art was destined for Addis Ababa in Ethiopia, but because of the Second World War and because Italy lost Ethiopia as a colony during the fascist Italy, the departure was stopped. The fact that this monument reflected the fascist period caused a few discussions about putting it up or not, but in the end, in 1952, the government decided to transfer this work of art to Siracusa. Siracusa was chosen because at the time its port Aretusa was considered the most important departure point for the colonies. It was placed here also because of its sea view facing Eastern Africa. This pista ciclabile is called Rosanna Maiorca di Siracusa. She was the daughter of the famous free diver Enzo Maiorca, who was from Siracusa, but that's another story for another episode. This pista was an old railway track built in 1871 and came out of use in 1998. It connected Siracusa to the industrial zone in the Targia area. It wasn't really loved by the residents because it cut the city in two, separating the city and the sea. This pista ciclabile runs about 6.5 kilometers from the monuments to the Tonnara di Santa Panagia. The views are breathtaking, and in summer you can stop along the way and go for a swim, and the water is always crystal clear. It's mainly used by the locals. To have seen Italy without having seen Sicily is not to have seen Italy at all, for Sicily is the clue to everything. Very cute. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pretty much a lemon, yeah. Supposed to be something arty.
We wanted to see this tonnara, and we came back the next day at sunset. This tonnara or tuna fishery is called Santa Panagia because it is in the area of Santa Panagia. They are extremely old, all these tuna fisheries that you can find in Sicily, and there are quite a few of them, originally built by the Arabs, and it was just a way of catching fish, tuna, and they would catch them, clean them, and obviously sell them. They don't do that anymore. A lot of these fisheries have been abandoned, which is a shame. In fact, this one, I was not expecting it to look like this. I found it was really, really abandoned and really not looked after, which is such a shame because, I mean, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful, but they had walled up all the entrances. We managed to get into a part where someone obviously had pushed a few of the bricks down, and we were lucky to get in. They were obviously closed because it looked pretty dangerous. Some of the tiles, the roof had sunken in, and it was a pretty dangerous place to be in. So I wouldn't recommend it to anybody, but it was pretty interesting. Look at that view. Hey? Imagine having like a house party. But cleaning it all up and sorting it all out would be what a place to like have a party.
This would be my balcony of choice.
Oh man, any day. Still beautiful. Hello, monkeys!
Hi!
How are you?
I'm fine!
Give me a hug! Big hug! Hello! Hello, monkeys! Matti,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
I'm working the wood.
You're working the wood?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Oh dear. I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook. It's ready.
Come ti va? Com'è che ti va?
Buonissimo. It's very good.
Okay.
Ma come cosa facciamo e come facciamo? Là, stop.
Amore.
Sono contenta perché sono da mia nonna mia e da mia nonna mia. Pitturiamo, ci divertiamo. Oh. This is a frog.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is my friend Francesca. We're on our way to the vintage market. We meet every Sunday because we love looking for little vintage things, and we'll show you around.
Bye bye. Ma vatti.
Francesca, hai trovato qualche cosa interessante?
Qua è tutto interessante,
È
anche
vero.
proprietari di mobili.
Let's
Questa
have
è
a
una
look what's in
cappelliera
here.
antica. Ancora abbiamo il cappello all'interno. Queste sono le cose che puoi trovare al mercatino di Piazza Santa Lucia. Guarda che sciccheria.
Wow, bellissimo,
Con tutta la spilla.
fantastico.
Meraviglioso. Non
Grazie.
lo proviamo perché c'è troppo freddo.
No.
Che palle, Francesca?
Bellissima. E ancora maglietta nella macchina io.
Giraggi sempre prima la maglietta della Francesca.
Trying to convince her to buy something. This is what I bought. Now I just discovered, I've just remembered I've got the Smart and I don't know how I'm going to get this in the car. Francesca, come lo facciamo entrare ora?
In qualche maniera lo faremo entrare.
I really like the picture that I bought today at the vintage market with Francesca. It was well worth the struggle trying to get it into the smart and hoping not to break it by the time I got home. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode, and I'm going to leave you with this beautiful picture of the moon. Bye-bye.